Welcome back to the Marvel Lounge. I'm your host Sean J, and today is Black Friday. We went to GameStop, well actually EB Games down here, and we picked up two of these bad boys. Sold out very quickly. I also bought another two additional boxes from online, and we'll do those unboxings later on, but today you're going to see these two bad boys unboxed. Let's see what's inside these boxes. Time to speed things up. Alright, what could possibly in this boxes? I'm very nervous to see what's inside of here. I got one thing in my mind that I'm hoping for, but at the end of the day, I'm happy I even got some. First box. You ready? What is inside of there? Alright, let's see. We have the new Rock Candy Suicide Squad Enchantress, but we all knew it was going to be in there from some of the spoilers that you guys see online. There you go, Suicide Squad Enchantress. They actually did some really good detailing in here. So let's go ahead and open this up. And there she is, Enchantress. Pretty heavy, but the detail that they have in here, you guys can see all of her tattoos and whatnot. That is absolutely amazing. Alright, that's the Enchantress. Let's put that one back in. We have pint sizes of the Five Nights of Freddy. Next, we have the Dragon Ball Z Vegeta. It ain't a gold one, but it's still nice to have an exclusive. Depending on how old you are, we all grew up watching Dragon Ball Z. Vegeta's actually pretty decent. Can you see him? Maybe, just maybe, I might have to start collecting it. That was the first box. Let's see what's inside the second one. Mystery box, mystery box. Did we get anything good? Did we get anything good? No! Again. You think they would throw something else in there other than pin size, but you know what? We're going to open these up and see if there are any variants inside there. I know my kids love those. Again, we have a Rock Candy. I won't show you guys because you already see this one. And we have another Vegeta. And we have another Vegeta inside here, guys. So that was my two Funko Mystery Pops. Pretty much got the same thing. A little disappointing, but at the end of the day, you don't know what's going to be inside them. So I'm actually just happy just to have them anyways. Alright guys, let's see what's inside of these pint-sized hero boxes. Or bags, I should say. Don't even need scissors. What am I doing? So from the first box, we have this silver looking dude. He's pretty cool. Put him right here. And inside this one, we have, from the Five Nights of Freddy, we got another silver one. What is the luck? Definitely gonna have to ask the kids what this is all about, as I have no idea anything about Five Nights at Freddy. Guys, thank you for watching the unboxing of my GameStop Funko mystery box. I want to hear what you guys got. Did you get what you were looking for, or were you disappointed? for the most part, I'm happy with what I have. The next box will be up for grabs. I just want to say like, share, and comment, and we'll see you in the next episode.